Hmm. So, Bujot, share this thing.
Yes, Michelle.
Oh, I want to see the register page. Go to the
Yes, sir.
register.js. No, go to the register.js. No, no, in code, in VS Code, in VS Code,
Okay.
not in. Hmm. I think you have understand about the event.prevent default. What is the working of event.prevent default?
Yes, sir.
So, how the event.prevent default is work?
Sir, it actually prevents the page from zero, and
Hmm.
and our data don't get set so when the page refreshes, our values get set to null, or we can say
If you,
zero.
I will. If you see in line number 23, there is navigate login. And if you can't mention event.prevent in your code, then after refreshing or after running the code, the page will not render to login page. Just reload and
Yes, sir.
remain on our register page. But data will store in our database, right?
Okay. Yeah, sir. It was not navigating
It's
to
not
the login.
getting to. So to prevent this issue, we use event.prevent default to we don't want to refresh our page again and again.
Yeah, and also our data which is written here is set
Hmm,
to null when we read.
hmm,
That's why.
hmm.
So should
Got,
I
got it.
proceed?
Hmm, hmm,
Proce-
hmm.
proceed to login?
Hmm. Have you
Okay.
registered or not?
Sir, what?
Have you registered? Or if you are registered, then you will log in.
Okay. Let's say,
No, no, I'm just asking, have you registered or no? If you have registered, then you
yes, sir,
don't need to
I have
register.
registered.
So you
I have
just go to the
registered, but
login.
yeah, I think I forgot the password. But let's try. If I know. Sorry. At the rate 2311. Yeah, login successful. I remember that.
So click
Now
on OK.
I'll show.
Hmm.
Now I'll
Good.
show if I what will happen if I write a wrong password. Let's say incorrect password.
Good.
So
Yeah.
now the set so prevent default will prevent our data from getting to zero. Yeah, hello, empty string. So we'll get our string as it is, even if our password get wrong.
Hmm. So stop your screen. Hmm. Pawan,
Yes, sir.
have you done?
Yeah, yes, sir. Right now. Yes, sir. Is it visible?
Hmm.
Yeah, this is the login part. Then I forgot the password.
No, just go to your code. Alert.error is not a function. You just remove the alert after
Lot.
dot. After alert, you just remove the dot error. No, no, in line number 23.
Yeah, okay.
Remove the dot error. No, 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 don't. Just remove the dot error only. You just go, save it and run it. Hmm. You have to email and password or
Yes, sir. It's read on.
Go to your code and
No,
see where are doing the mistake.
I think I forgot the password.
Just go to your code and see in handle submit which line or which code have you missed it. You did not mention the event.prevent default over here, right? That's why it's again refreshing the page. After
We
handle
have to
submit.
mention, sir.
No,
After
above,
our submit.
above. Okay, no issue. Stop your share. Let me do it.
No.
And Monica, have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mayuri, what about you? Mayuri, hello? Okay. Hello, Mantosh. This is your first class, hello, I think.
Yes, sir.
Mantosh?
Yes, sir. This is my first class. Hello. Sir, am I audible, sir?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Audible.
Yes,
So,
sir. Sir, this
Mantosh,
is my first class.
you just do one thing, just you have official email ID or not? Teachers Global official
Yes,
email
sir.
ID. You
Yes,
have?
sir.
Hmm.
Sir, actually, I'm facing problem in entering the name and date, sir. So I'm muting
No issue,
myself,
no
sir.
issue.
Once I
No issue. No issue. You once you done have done, then let me know.
okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
So, hmm. So we have completed our register page. So today, just copy this under some method and paste it over here. And we just copy the it as well. State and we need to copy the navigate as well. Voice is audible to everyone clearly or not?
Yes.
Hmm? Okay. So this is login and login name, phone and address over here. Hmm. We just Bano, please unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Mm, all submit. You just the handle submit and from register. Just copy paste the email and password. This email paste over here, password over here. Save it and let me show what is the error. Use navigate OK and XGL is not defined. So just okay. So Pawan, you need to write this e dot prevent default. Okay, in your code. Okay,
Okay,
Pawan.
sir.
Hello. Hmm. Save it. Code is successfully completed. And let me run my backend as well. Hmm. And let me open MongoDB as well. Hmm. So here has the user. Let me check it out. Your page is there, login page. And the password. Login successfully. Then click on OK. You want to go to the home page. Okay. So everyone just complete your. If anyone did not complete the, just complete it. Hello.
Please solve my problem.
Hmm? Who is? हाँ भानु.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, you provided the link. This link is not
Bhanu,
open.
wait. We will discuss it after the class. Okay. Just
Okay, okay.
be here and see what is running. So tell me one thing, guys. Have you completed the login or register? Which if anyone have left it out, then just complete it fast.
Completed, sir. It's working.
And what about others? Everyone have completed. Like that, Pawan Pujot, Soumya Jyoti.
Yes,
Have you
sir.
completed the login page?
Yes, actually, no. Login page, I have to see. Just a second, please. Just now I have joined.
So previously, I mentioned in the text that you need to do the login as same as register.
Okay, I forgot that actually I was doing the backend part previously, and I faced some issues, and then I it take a long time to resolve this actually. So I'll do it anyway.
No, you do it now. You do it now.
Okay, okay,
Once you're facing any problem, then let me know. Okay.
okay.
So guys, we just move towards our context APIs. Okay. So I think everyone have read about the context API, what is context API and what is the working of context API, right? So who can tell me? Hmm? What is the working of
Yes, sir.
context API? Why we made the context?
Sir, because sir, context API is used to manage the state throughout whole our project. So we need that because usually we pass the data from one component to other with the help of props. But if there are a lot of child inside a parent, like for suppose there is a child inside a parent and again there is a sub child and it goes on till 5 to 6 uh, child, and so it will uh, be difficult, and we can say that it's not practical to pass the props to every component if we want to, if only one child want to access. So that's why we create an independent, uh, we can say, so every component can independently ask for the properties from
Project,
user context.
just tell me one thing. This is global or this is static? Sorry, this is global
So,
or this is functional?
so it is functional.
How can you say that?
So we have to pass it through props to other component to make it available for other component. Otherwise, it's functional. It's defined inside the login component.
But it is global for this function, na?
Yeah, this is global for this function, but for not other
And we
components.
pass the
Like
props
it's not.
in this function.
Hmm.
Mhm. If we run our this function, then after that it will become the global, na? Once the global execution content is creating for the login page, then after that we will write it as a global, na?
But let's say if we want to print
Mm.
the mail ID in our mail home page, so we can't just write that
No, no.
H1.
If you don't want to do this, you just remove it and you just paste it over here. Now it is global or functional.
Now it's global, I guess.
Global. So I hope you got it.
Yes.
So you read in JavaScript, like once you do any code in JavaScript, but JavaScript is a synchronous language. It's working line by line, right? Hello,
Yes, so your voice was breaking. Now
I'm
it's
just
clear.
telling. Wait, I'm just telling. JavaScript is a now my voice is audible or not?
Yes.
I'm just asking. JavaScript is. I'm just telling. JavaScript is a synchronous language, right?
Yeah. Mm,
Code is running line by line.
yes, sir.
And also, there is a concept in JavaScript like code global creation phase. Are you aware about it?
No, sir.
So you need to read about it. So global in a global execution phase is two states. First is memory creation phase. Second is code execution phase. During memory creation phase, the memory is assigned to every global states. Okay. So
Okay.
same as context API is used to pass global variable anywhere in the code, right? If we made the context API for auth, then we can pass the auth detail in anywhere in the code. If we create the context API for the our dashboard or our product like shoes, anything, you can use this information in, anywhere in the code or in any component as well. Just by the help of calling the context API. Okay. So context API is nothing but it's just kind of store. It's just and it's need why it is need is need for sharing state between a lot of nested components. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And also in context, there is no need to install other dependencies or third-party library. Like you, have you aware about the Redux or not?
Yes, sir. I've started Redux. We create
Mm.
slices there and
So,
reducers also.
so in Redux, Redux is kind of a store now where you can store the details of the like
Yeah.
users. Like so, same is the working of context APIs.
Yes.
Mm. So everyone, I think
So
everyone have
what's the
cleared about.
difference?
Hmm?
So why we use Redux?
We use Redux, but in place of Redux, we use context API because we don't want to install the other third-party libraries because Redux is a third-party library.
Okay.
And we don't want to do this, right? Hello.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Hmm. So what about others? What is context API? Am I right or wrong?
It's a like similar thing. I only read that
Hmm.
context APIs are used to pass the variables to different components and to use
Hmm.
global variables anywhere in the code, like when we are writing.
Good.
That thing only.
And can anyone have create the context API or not?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm working on some personal project. There I've created. There I've used context API to store my username, user ID, so that I don't need to call my auth function again and again.
Okay. So apart from Prabhajot and Monica, what about others? Hmm?
Yes, sir,
Pawan?
I have used context API, sir, and Redux as well, sir, in my project, sir. Hello. Sir, am I audible,
Yes.
sir?
Hmm.
Yes, sir, I have used, sir.
So have you used the okay, okay, good. In which product and project you have used the context API?
Sir, actually, I have already used it in two of my projects, sir. First one is Sir Megamart, which is a e-commerce website, and second one is Career Connect, which is a website just like LinkedIn.
Hmm.
So I created both these websites around 6 months earlier or so.
Okay, okay. So I
Yes,
think you have cleared about the
yes, sir.
concept.
Right now, I'm working on an LMS website, sir. And this is just like Udemy. So I am working on the backend part, sir. I already completed the means just auth portion I've completed, and now I'm working on the backend. Just I means connected the front end from the backend for the register part. Now I'm working on the login part,
So
sir.
you created your Udemy from your own.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, your voice is not clear, sir.
I think this is your personal project, na Udemy.
It's not clear, sir. Your voice,
Hello.
sir. It's
And
breaking,
this
sir.
now this time. Hello. Am I
Hello.
audible to everyone or not? Hello.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Wait, let me check. Wait, wait.